So it is 11:10. I have not long come home and I am going to bed. But, well, I have plans tomorrow. I'm going for lunch. So days like today is perfect to just do a quick overnight heatless curls. And then I don't have to worry about my hair tomorrow morning. So I did wash my hair today. It air dried. I've had it up in a ponytail. And I recently saw on TikTok sock curls, which I guess is very similar to the robe curls, but I'll try anything heatless in my hair. So I'm just detangling my hair. It is a little bit knotted. Tell me why my hair still feels damp after 12 hours. So I will link below the tutorial that I'm following. She did a middle part, so monkey see, monkey do. So I'm just kind of splitting it down the middle. I forgot how shiny a ring light makes my hair look. Okay, I'll separate that first of all. Shake this out to get out my face framing pieces. I'm gonna spray a little bit of this hairspray and eat it. Ew. I do not own rollers. I own so many hair things, but would you believe rollers? Never. So because I do not have a roller, I'm just gonna wrap this hair up in this sock and we're gonna do our own makeshift hair roller. I think I need longer socks though, but can't be bothered going to grab more. And my nail is about to come off. Fantastic. Wait, that's not good. Okay, I need to make sure that I roll it further back. Now I do have some longer pieces in here, but I don't think that's gonna matter. I'm gonna roll it as tight as I can and tie it. We may have to fix that in the morning because I doubt that is gonna do what I'm hoping it'll do. Again, I'm gonna spray some hairspray so that we have a little bit of hold. Why does it smell of shit? ¿Quieres salir, Benita? ¿Quieres salir? The tutorial that I saw, she said take a fluffy sock. This is the closest to fluffy that I have that I think is long enough. And she said to put the toe end in your mouth and then put it over your hair and start wrapping. So I'm gonna do that. So the key with heatless curls is definitely to wrap them as tight as you can. I'm holding the end right here. She said to grab the end of the sock, hold it here. You know what? I'm gonna try and make it go higher, actually. Let's go as high as we can go. Okay, so I'm holding the hair here, holding the end of the sock on top of it, and then putting my hand in here, and we're gonna roll it up. You know, I might actually put a scrunchie over this because I don't think this is gonna hold. Well, for now, I'll just put this here to hold it. There is like one tiny like fairy knot. I found it. Look, my brush keeps snagging on this. The amount of hair that I end up losing like this is not funny. I'm surprised I'm not bald, or that I don't have crazy layers in my hair because of tangles like those. This heatless curls is very easy. I'm loving it so far. I mean, all you need is socks. Everybody has socks already at home. So holding that over so I don't lose the end, grabbing this this and securing it inside. And that's that. I mean, minus the faffing around with this, I probably took like 5 to 10 minutes to do that. And it was my first time. So I mean, once you get the hang of it, this is gonna be like a 5-minute thing before bed to wake up and hopefully have gorgeous curls. So anyway, I'm off to bed. Right now I'm binging Tell Me Lies. I am addicted. It's so good. So I'm gonna go and watch that in bed and put my new pajamas on. I got Winnie the Pooh pajamas from Primark. They're fluffy, so comfy. So I'm gonna go and get cozy now and rest. The girl in the TikTok that I saw, she got a nice volume, but how? Because this is looking very flat. So I'm a little concerned about that, but oh well. And hopefully the hairspray adds some nice hold. Anyway, good night. See you tomorrow. My cat's just making bread. Her morning loaf. Are you done? So I have woken up, I have had breakfast, I have gotten ready. This is how we're looking right now. I did clip my hair to wash my face because otherwise I was like, how on earth am I gonna clean my face? Let me tell you, these were definitely not the comfiest to sleep in. After I stopped filming yesterday, I did have to go and redo this one because it was coming loose because I didn't have another scrunchie with me. And it's a good job that I did do it again because it's coming loose anyway. So yeah, these weren't the comfiest to sleep in. You do have to find like the right position to get comfy. By the way, I'm expecting this right here to be a friggin' disaster, but we'll see. It's just bouncing around right now. I don't know what I should take out first. I guess I'll do this side first. This side looks the most promising, but like I said yesterday, I don't see how I'm gonna get like, I don't know, the girl in the tutorial, she looked like she had really nice volume. I don't see myself getting that. Okay. I mean, a little bit anticlimactic, if you ask me. Maybe I did something wrong, I don't know. Watch this side turn out better, even though it looks worse. I'm just kind of pulling the sock, it just like rolls right out. And now for the big reveal of the top part. Honestly, this, oh no, this is gonna... It's not giving me, I know, it's not giving me the root volume that I want. I don't know, I guess I'll just shake this all out. Oh, wait, this doesn't look too bad. Okay, this is quite nice. Let me show you the back. I'm gonna spritz it with hairspray because it would be nice if this lasted. My God. It would be nice if this lasted more than 10 minutes, because I'm leaving in half an hour. It takes like half an hour or more to get there. This part right here is not my friend. Okay, so I'm gonna be honest, this isn't my favorite heatless curls method. It was super quick, very easy as well, so perfect for beginners or if you struggle doing heatless curl hairstyles. Comfortability while I was sleeping, not great. I have tried more comfortable methods, and the definition, I mean, the ends look really nice, but the root section is lacking volume. It's just lacking in general, and there are other heatless curl methods that could give me a bit more volume up here and for the definition to start higher up as well. I'm thinking the unicorn curls is a great one. The curling rods, prefer those. Even the scrunchy blowout that I tried, that one gave me insane volume. I mean, this is great. It took me like in total, putting them in, taking it down, like 10 minutes literally to do my hair. So, you know, for just spending 5 minutes putting the socks in your hair to get semi-decent results is honestly not bad. I'll take it. It's better than just not doing anything with it, I guess. Okay, cute. I mean, I don't know. It matches the vibe, I feel, of my makeup and clothes. So yeah, I'm happy with it. I'm not sad. But yeah, I have done better. Let me know what you think, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.